Hey everyone! Imagine turning your ordinary balcony into a personal pharmacy that not only boosts your health but also your bank balance. What if I told you could earn up to 15,000 rupees every single month just by growing a few medicinal plants? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, get ready to be inspired by the incredible story of Sunita from Kolkata, who did exactly that. Let's get growing. Namaste dosto. Welcome back to Green Savvy. And I'm always on the lookout for smart and sustainable ways for us urban Indians to improve our lives. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of medicinal plants and how you can cultivate them right on your balcony, even if you have zero gardening experience and no extra land. Let's face it, staying healthy in our busy city lives can be expensive. The cost of Ayurvedic products and health supplements can really add up, putting a strain on our wallets. Plus, with so many options out there, it's hard to be sure about the quality and authenticity of what we are buying. We want natural remedies, but we also want to trust where they come from. But what if you could have your own source of pure, potent medicinal herbs, grown with love, right outside your door? Well, the amazing news is, you absolutely can. By harnessing the power of your balcony and with a little help from some incredible AI tools, you can create your very own balcony pharmacy. We are talking about growing plants that can boost your immunity, manage common ailments, and even earn you a fantastic side income. Ready to see how? Let's start with the superstars of your balcony garden, the top 5 medicinal plants you can easily grow. First up, we have Tulsi, also known as holy basil. In India, it's often called Ghar Ki Lakshmi, the bringer of health and wealth. It's fantastic for coughs, colds, fever, and boosting your immunity. Plant it in a sunny spot, water it moderately, and pinch off the tips to encourage growth. You can easily find Tulsi seeds on Amazon India for around 100 rupees to 150 rupees. Next, the amazing aloe vera. This silent healer is a must-have for your balcony. It's incredible for skin problems, burns, cuts, and even digestion. It loves bright, indirect sunlight, perfect for a chimney balcony. Water it only when the soil is completely dry. You can get aloe vera plants or seeds on Amazon India for around 100 rupees to 180 rupees. Meet Ashwagandha, the Indian ginseng. This powerful herb is known for reducing stress and rejuvenating your body. Delhi's winter is ideal for it. Give it at least 6 hours of full sunlight and water moderately. Ashwagandha seeds are available on Amazon India for around 75 rupees to 200 rupees. No Indian kitchen is complete without curry leaves. But did you know they also aid digestion and help manage diabetes? For Mumbai's monsoon, make sure your pot has good drainage. It loves full sun and regular watering. You can find curry leaf seeds on Amazon India for around 150 rupees to 195 rupees. And finally, the nectar of immortality, Giloe. This incredible plant boosts immunity, helps manage fever, like dengue, and regulates blood sugar. Chennai's humidity suits it well. It's very adaptable and needs watering only once a week. You can easily grow it from stem cuttings, which you can find on Amazon India for around 100 rupees to 240 rupees. To make it easier for you, here is a quick comparison of these 5 powerhouse plants, their needs, and their benefits. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I don't have a green thumb. Don't worry, because AI is here to help. Step 2. AI to the rescue. Your smart gardening assistants. Imagine having a plant doctor in your pocket. That's exactly what Plantix is. This free app uses AI to diagnose plant diseases and other issues just by taking a photo with your phone. It even works in several Indian languages like Hindi, Tamil, and Marathi. Another fantastic app is AgroStar. Think of it as your pocket-sized agri doctor, available in multiple Indian languages. It gives you personalized advice, 7-day weather forecasts, and detailed info on over 50 crops, including our medicinal heroes. It even works in areas with low internet connectivity. For those of you thinking bigger, FarmERP uses AI to help predict your potential harvest and even the best time to harvest for maximum profit. While it's designed for larger farms, it can give you valuable insights as your balcony garden grows. Your balcony is blooming. and now it's time to reap the rewards, both for your health and your wallet. Step 3. Harvesting happiness and hard cash. Monetization made easy. You can become an Amazon India herbal star. Amazon is a huge marketplace, and you can sell your homegrown herbs, especially after drying them, in their grocery section. Just make sure you follow the FSSAI guidelines for selling food products. Connect with your local wellness warriors. Reach out to Ayurvedic clinics, yoga studios, and even wellness influencers on Instagram in your city. They're often looking for trusted local sources for high-quality herbs. Use WhatsApp Business to create your own hyperlocal herbal hustle. You can showcase your herbs, connect directly with customers in your neighborhood, and even join local online groups to find buyers. Remember Rohan from Jaipur who earned 6,000 rupees a month just by selling neem through WhatsApp. Growing your own medicinal plants is a win-win. Think about it. Instead of buying expensive tulsi tea bags, you can have a fresh supply right on your balcony. And a simple homemade cough syrup with tulsi, ginger, and honey can save you money on over-the-counter medicines. Plus, just look at the price of dried giloy online. You can see the incredible income potential. Now, let's address some common questions you might have. Can I grow in a tiny balcony? Absolutely. Use vertical racks to maximize your space. IKEA has some great options. What if pests attack? The Plantix app can diagnose the problem, and you can use natural solutions like neem oil. How much time will it take? Start with just 30 minutes a day. It's very manageable. What kind of soil do I need? A simple mix of regular garden soil and compost works perfectly for most of these plants. How often do I water? It depends on the plant, but generally, check the soil and water when the top inch feels dry. Giloy likes less water. Your balcony is waiting to be transformed into a source of health and wealth. Imagine having your own natural pharmacy and earning a fantastic side income, all with no prior experience needed. For more information and support, check out these Indian resources, the BigHaat app for connecting with agricultural suppliers, My Soil for soil testing if you want to get really detailed, and the official website of the Ministry of Ayush for government schemes and support. Remember, Delhi winters are great for ashwagandha, Chennai's humidity loves aloe vera, and Mumbai's monsoon means good drainage for your curry leaves. Let's take inspiration from Rohan, a student in Jaipur who earned around 6,000 rupee per month by growing neem on his small balcony and selling it through local WhatsApp groups. It shows you what's possible. So, are you ready to unlock the blooming potential of your balcony? Growing medicinal plants is a fantastic way to improve your health, connect with nature, and even earn a significant side income. It's easier than you think. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting ideas on urban living and well-being. And don't forget to check out these other videos for more green inspiration. Visit our website for reading our latest blogs. We are also in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Quora, Medium. Do find us there too. Just type Green Savvy and our page will be there in front of you. See you in some other such video. Thanks for watching.